In this video, I'm going to show you how to add applications to your startup in Windows 11. So if you want one of your programs to automatically start when you first turn on your computer, then to go and do that, we first need to identify the application that we want to add to the startup. So we're just going to come over to the Start menu and search for the application you want to add. So let's say, for example, you wanted to add Steam to your startup. You can just right-click on the application, click on Open File Location, and then right-click on it again and click on Properties. Now you need to come over to the target text and you need to copy all of this and then just open up a notepad on your computer. Now we're just going to paste in this text as we're going to need this in just a second. Now come back over to the Start menu and this time search for Run and click on the Run icon. Now type in the word shell : startup and then press enter. Now right click somewhere in this folder, click on New, click on Shortcut, and now just go and paste all of that text that we just copied, which is this one here, and you'll need to go and paste it inside of this field. Now click on Next, click on Finish, and now this program's automatically been added to your startup. You can check that this is working by coming over to the Start menu and searching for Task Manager. From Task Manager, click on Startup in the left-hand side, and you should be able to find the Steam application that we just added here. As you can see, it's currently enabled, and if you ever do want to remove the application from your startup, you can always come back over to the Run command and type in shell startup, and you can just go ahead and remove the application from here. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.